Few homes have changed the course of American architecture. But standing here in Buffalo, New York, it's hard to believe that one quiet neighborhood is home to one of Frank Lloyd Wright's greatest masterpieces. This is the Darwin D House, built between 1904 and 1906. The home was designed for businessman Darwin D. Martin, an executive with the Larkin Soap company. Martin wasn't simply Wright's client. He became one of the architect's closest friends and strongest supporters, helping launch a career that would influence architecture around the world. At first glance, the house feels different. Instead of towering upward like the Victorian homes of its day, Wright stretched this home outward. Low roofs, strong horizontal lines, and long rows of windows. Everything was designed to connect the home to the landscape rather than separate it from it. This was the Prairie Style, a revolutionary idea that believed a house should belong to its surroundings instead of dominating them. Look closer, and the details begin to reveal themselves. More than 400 pieces of custom-designed art glass fill the home with shifting patterns of light throughout the day. Every piece of furniture, every light fixture, even the smallest decorative elements, were designed to work together as one complete vision. For Frank Lloyd Wright, architecture wasn't just about building walls. It was about creating an entire experience. One of the most remarkable features was the long covered pergola connecting the main house to an elaborate conservatory. It blurred the line between indoors and outdoors, encouraging people to move naturally through the space while remaining surrounded by nature. For the early 1900s, ideas like these were decades ahead of their time. Like many historic landmarks, the Martin House faced difficult years. After the Martin family left, parts of the estate were demolished. The conservatory disappeared. The pergola was gone. Some believed the property might never recover, but preservationists refused to let that happen. Through decades of research, fundraising, and painstaking restoration, the missing structures were rebuilt, allowing visitors to experience Wright's vision almost exactly as he intended. Today, the Darwin D. House is recognized as one of the finest examples of Frank Lloyd Wright's prairie architecture anywhere in the world. It's more than a beautiful home. It's a reminder that great design can change the way people think. Over a century later, visitors still walk these paths, admire these windows, and discover ideas that once seemed impossible. Sometimes history isn't remembered because it's the oldest. Sometimes it's remembered because it dared to imagine something entirely new. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.